Hey y'all, it's me, KELSEARAÉ. I am crusty. We all could see it. Like, what has happened? But I am on here to give you guys a wash day routine. This time it'll be a little bit different due to the fact that I have colored hair. Not really that different, but I am gonna be doing things different to my hair from here on out due to the fact that I do have colored hair. So I'll be updating y'all on things like that. But I just wanted to show you guys my wash day routine. I know I did post one, so if you haven't seen it, I'll link it right up here somewhere. I'm going to start my routine off with a hot oil treatment, and I'm gonna show you guys how I do it and what products that I will be using. Let's do the hot oil treatment first / deep conditioning first, and then we're gonna jump in the shower. All right, let's do it, baby. So these are the oils that I will be using for my hot oil treatment. It's just some things that I got in my cabinet, and I also went to the store to purchase this because I want the oil to penetrate my hair. But I'm gonna mix all of these oils together. So first step to this hot oil treatment is to get you a bowl of water, microwavable safe, whatever. Get you a bowl of water and just like add some water to it, and then get you like something like a plastic cup or plastic whatever, because this is what you're gonna put your oil in. So you want to get your oils, and I'm gonna start with the coconut oil just because it's thicker and I need to like scoop it. Then you take your avocado. What? Oh, my nail just fell off. Did he? I'm embarrassed. My nail just came off. What the got my appointment tomorrow? Like, this couldn't wait 1 second? Damn, I feel played. Look at my nail. Did you see that? Oh my God, my whole nail came off. Anywho, don't mind it. Now that my oils are together, I'm gonna take this bowl of water, a little bit of oil fell in there. I'm gonna take this bowl of water and I'm gonna put it in the microwave until it gets hot. I don't know how hot, but until it gets hot, pretty much. I'm going to take my bowl and put it inside this bowl. Hold up, let me fix my camera. I'm gonna keep stirring this until it all looks like it's melted together. So that looks about good. Just gonna start with the ends of my hair and work my way up, making sure I'm coating my hair, and then I'm gonna go back in to the roots and making sure the roots is getting what it needs. So I have a deep conditioner from African Pride. This is my first time using it, so I'm excited to try it. It's called Moisture Miracle. Girl, my hand's so greasy from this thing. It smells like a shea butter kind of smell. This is the consistency, like real thick mask type of vibe. So I'm just gonna take a big scoop because I use a lot of product, and I'm just gonna lay that on my hair in no fancy way. I'm just gonna lay it on my hair. Y'all, this mask feel like it melted. Look at this, melted my hair. I'm sliding my hands right through my hair. Wow. And you know what? I was gonna go in and detangle with it too, and I'm thinking, baby, this feels like butter. Okay, African pride, girl. So boom, we in a shower, and I am just going to take down these buns and rinse my hair out. I kept the mask in for about 30 minutes. So let's do some tips about color treated hair. For color treated hair, when you're washing it or doing anything with water with your hair, you do not want to use hot water. Avoid hot water at all costs, because it will just strip your color right out. The products I am using is the TGIN line, black owned. I just wanted to say that. As well as the styling products I will be using will be black owned. So if y'all want to check them out, I'm gonna have all of the products linked down below, and with the names and everything like that. But I'm going in with their shampoo. I think it was called like Miracle something healing something shampoo and conditioner. But I just wanted to scrub my roots and making sure I get it in. And once again, do not use hot water. Try to avoid hot water. Maybe like a lukewarm or cold. The colder, the better. Next, I'm going in with their conditioner, and I'm just going to condition my hair. A dime size. They say take a dime size. Y'all, this line did not strip my color. I didn't see my color going down the drain, and I was really happy about that. Okay, so if you did want something like color safe, this is a pretty good line that is color safe. It also has like sulfate free, like no parabens, you know, all of those things we like. So now I'm just going in with my dimming brush just to like comb through and rake through the product through my hair, just to make sure it's nice and detangled. But yeah, that's one thing I've learned so far with having colored hair is the hot water don't like us, so don't use it. And I just try to avoid washing my hair in the shower because, you know, you be cold. So just do it in a sink or something. I just did it in the shower for the sake of this video. So I'm just going to twist my hair up and put a t-shirt over it and dry it. And I am good to go. Oh, I need to get a mirror because I can't see. So this is what my hair looks like. Wow. She looks great. She feels soft. Wow, we love that. These are the products that I plan to use. I plan to use the TGIN Curl Bomb Moisturizing Styling Gel. When I went to the store, they didn't have the rest of the TGIN line. So I wanted to get like the gel and then the leave-in or the moisturizer, whatever else they carry, and they didn't have it. So I only got the gel, but I decided to try this AVACADO Natural Shade Yogurt Hair Moisturizer. I'm going to use this as my moisturizer, and I'm going to use this as my like sealing gel. I'm gonna see how these two blend together, and I'm gonna see if this works or whatever. I don't know. I'm nervous. I never tried these two products together, so this is both of our first time. And we're gonna see what's going on with this. I also have my oil blend that my hairstylist provided me. I'm gonna actually open up both of these. They smell kind of lemony. Oh, she feel like a shea butter but whipped. Wow. So I'm gonna, oh wow, that feels amazing. And it's like it melted into my hand like how shea butter normally do. I'm gonna open up this to see if this blends with this. Hold up, I gotta be project. All right, should I go get a leave-in, y'all? Let's see. This is how you could tell if the products blend together well. If it gets creamy and it just looks like it's still gliding and it's not creating like little bumps or like little balls, that means the product will work good together. So this to me seems like it'll work good together. You can tell when it's not mixing well when you get these little bitty bumps. Not bumps, I keep saying bumps. These little bitty dots. That means something not mixing well. I'm gonna use about this much. Oh, I'm not flicking y'all off, I promise. I just always use my middle finger. That's so weird, right? Gonna blend that together and add it to my hair. Next, I'm going to take the gel. It's so slippery that I gotta hold my hand like that. I'm gonna take about that much. Ooh, the gel feels like gel. It smells good too. You know what? It gives me that eco styler type of smell vibe. So I'm just gonna add that to my hair. This is what the hair looks like. I'm gonna take a little bit more because I'm not really satisfied with how it feels. So I'm gonna do that again, making sure I'm getting it to the root and dragging it downward. Then I'm gonna try to do the shingling method. Let's see. So I'm back and this is what my hair looks like. She actually looks good. I can't wait to see what happens when I diffuse her, but this is what she's looking like, wet poodle. So now I'm going to diffuse using my dryer, blow dryer. And I think I'm gonna diffuse on cool because I just bleached my hair and I don't wanna damage it. So I'm gonna just go like this on cool, and yeah, let's get into it. So what I think I'm going to do is use my wide tooth comb as a pick because I don't own like a legit pick. And I'm just gonna fluff out my roots and try to get my hair as big as I can get it. So we got some volume, baby. Some volume going. My curls still look good. I love my hair. It feels really moisturized. The gel doesn't leave your hair like mad crunchy, like super crunchy. So that's good. But it's still enough hold to give me like defined curls. Like, look at these curls, like defined curls. So I love that. If you're not into super crunchy hair, I would definitely say check out the TGIN Curl Bomb. I love this. This is so good. If you want me to be honest, this probably wasn't the best wash and go I've ever done, but it is really dope and I like it. I just would use the products that I used in this video, switch it around and use it, you know, with different products and just, you know, go. But they both are really good products in my opinion. Y'all let me know in the comments below what y'all think. She's swingy, she's flowy, she's full. I just love it. She looks great. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget to give me a thumbs up, like, comment, and subscribe. And I'll see you guys on my next video. Bye. Mwah.